Hello, here's another AQA Physics A-level multi-choice question. If you want to try a different question from the same series, click on the information card up here. If you want to try to answer the question yourself, pause the video now. And if you got the answer B, well done. If you want to listen to my explanation, carry on listening. Light of wavelength lambda is incident normally on two parallel slits of separation S. Fringes of spacing W are seen on a screen at a distance D from the slits. Which row gives another arrangement that produces a fringe spacing of W? Okay, so the equation on your data sheet for a double slit is the fringe spacing W is equal to the wavelength multiplied by the distance between the slits and the screen divided by S, which is the slit separation. So we've got an initial condition. We could say the initial condition, we could say lambda, or the wavelength, the distance and the slit. We could say they all equal 1. So if we say that, then W would equal 1, because we would have 1 times 1 over 1 equals 1. So if we now say these are all doubled, we can ignore the lambda, we can ignore the S, and we can ignore the D, and we can just multiply and divide these numbers together in this ratio, and we can see when we get a value of 1 again. So let's look at A. Lambda is 2, the slit separation is 2, and the distance between the slits is 2. You're going to get an answer of 2. Well, that isn't 1, so that ain't correct. The next one, we've got the wavelength is 2, and we've got the slit separation is 4, we've got the distance to the slits is 2, and that is 1. So there's your correct answer. We'll go through the others just for completeness. We've got wavelength of 2, and we've got a slit separation of 2, and we've got a distance of 4, and that comes out at 4. Not correct. Last one, wavelength 4 divided by slit separation of 2 multiplied by distance of 2, and that one comes out as 4 as well. Not correct. So 100% sure the answer is B. If you found this video, please click on the subscribe button, give me a like, share with friends, and watch more in the series. Thank you.